Hello children, welcome to our English class. Today we are going to start our first chapter. How old is Muttaji? First of all, you just look at the picture here. What do you understand from this picture? Yes, there are grandparents converse with the grandchildren, isn't it? And they are very happy. Just like this, our first chapter is also tells about the relationship between grandparents and grandchildren. We should love, respect and care for our grandparents. So, let us move on to our first chapter. Before that, let me know the writer. Rubabai is the writer of our story. How old is Muttaji? Isn't it? She is a journalist and also she preferred children's writings more. Isn't it? Then let us discuss the main characters in the story. Main characters are Putta, Putti, Muttaji. Muttaji means great grandmother. Great grandmother means grandmother's mother. Isn't it? Then Ajja, grandfather. Ajji, grandmother. Amma, mother. Okay students, let's start our lesson. Lesson titled as How Old is Muttaji? As we have already discussed, the main characters are Putta and Putti. They are twins and they are also in the same age as you. Okay, let's start. It is January 2016. Putta and Putti, the twins, are visiting their Muttaji. Muttaji means great grandmother in Mysore for her birthday. But nobody knows how old Muttaji really is. So the twins decide to solve this mystery. The story is happening in the year 2016. Putta and Putti know that Muttaji, their great grandmother, is really old. But exactly how old is she? This is the question in their mind. Join the twin detectives on an exciting mathematical journey through Muttaji's memories and India's history in their quest to crack the big question. So, they wanted to know what is the real age of Muttaji. They wanted to know the age of Muttaji. So, then the moment they reached the old green house in Mysore, the twins burst into Muttaji's room. Burst into means entered suddenly. Entered the room suddenly or rush into the room. When they reached the Muttaji's home, they rushed into Muttaji's room. Happy birthday, Muttaji! How old are you today? Muttaji hugged the twins. How old am I? Who knows? How does it matter? Muttaji replied to the twins. But it does, cried Putta and Putti together. But the twins says that they wanted to know the real age of Muttaji. They wanted to know the age of Muttaji. Muttaji smiled. Well, she said, I know that around 5 years before I was born, a Maharaja went to a grand party for Indian Maharajas and Maharanis in Delhi. This is the first clue given by Muttaji. What is the first clue? Around 5 years before I was born, our Maharaja went to a grand party for Indian Maharajas and Maharanis in Delhi. A British king and queen had come to visit and our Maharaja got a gold medal. Who was this king, Muttaji? Asked Putta. Putta was very excited. He asked again and again, do you remember the name of that king? If you know, we can find out which year he visited. If we add 5 years to that, we will know when you were born. If you know the name of that king, we can easily find out your age. Putta replied. Muttaji shrugged. I have forgotten, Putta. Putta's face fell. Face fell means he was disappointed. Isn't it? The expression shows he was disappointed. Wait, said Muttaji. Let me see if I can remember something else. When I was about your age, 9 or 10, my uncle from Bombay visited us and told us about clean trains. Clean trains? Yes, Muttaji was excited. They had started running in Bombay that year. You never got dirty traveling in them. No black dust on your clothes and face. The twin stared at her. Why would anyone get dirty traveling by train? This is an important question. Why would anyone get dirty traveling by train? In the olden days, trains run on coal. Because of that, the fog from the engine makes the surroundings dirty. Isn't it? Here we are talking about what? Clean trains. Clean trains means electric trains. Okay. Some years later, continued Muttaji, I got married. I must have been 16 then. Very soon after my marriage, your Murtaja got a job in Bombay and we left Mysore. After their marriage, they left Mysore and went Bombay. Did anything important happen the year you got married, Muttaji? Asked Putta. Putta again asked some more questions. Did anything important happen the year you got married? Did anything happen in the year when you got married? Yes, Muttaji, said Muttaji. Our Maharaja inaugurated our big dam and the beautiful gardens next to it during the Dasara festival that year. A big dam? Putta sat up. Is it still there? Putta asked Muttaji. He wanted to know whether the dam is still there. So, here ends our first part of the lesson. I hope you all have enjoyed the lesson. We can continue in the next class. Thank you.